the thirsty plain lived a cloud who couldn't rain, while others turned a stormy gray. He stayed a fluffy white all day. He'd huff and puff and try to squeeze, but all he gave was a gentle breeze. The ducks below would look and wait. Where's the water? It's getting late. He watched the lightning crack and boom, filling the sky with heavy gloom. He wanted to join the pitter-patter, but his tiny drops just wouldn't scatter. He tried to frown, he just looked round. He tried to cry, he stayed quite dry. He tried to roar, he just grew more. Then he saw a weary traveler below, wiping sweat with a pace so slow. The sun was fierce, the heat was bold, turning the hills to dusty gold. The little cloud didn't need to pour. He drifted down a bit, then more. He stretched his edges wide and thin to keep the burning sunlight in.